English. Okay. Hello, what's up guys? Today we're putting up our mental health for your enjoyment. Let's get started. Ba? Umamunganga.
Bob.
Every 100 meters pala dito, merong checkpoint.
Yeah. That's Bob. Bob likes to eat my Bob.
Tep, alam ko na gagawin natin. Diba, ganito yun eh. Diba, dyan ka lang, Tep. Dyan ka lang. Tapos, tatalon ako. Diba, nagiging kuhan yun. Gawin natin, pero pataas.
Okay.
Dito ka, Tep. Dito ka.
Tara na. Let.
Tep, teleport ka na lang.
Ikaw 100 meters ka na ba?
Oo nga pala, hindi pa. Eto.
Let's go. Beach, tara na.
Ano?
Sige yan. Iwanan mo si Ken. Iwanan mo si Ken. Sabi mo mamaya. May onte. Kinakabot ko pa Pepe.
Ayaw. Ayaw mo siya. Tep, tumayo. Pumunta ka dito.
Stop jumping!
Tep, ako naman yung nandito. Tulong.
You're very smart. I like that.
Yes. Wow. Wait for it.
Ba't naman? Ba't ba napakatalino mo?
Because I'm very smart. Can we create infinite energy?
Yun na kay particle accelerator.
Pa! Wait. Hello guys, we are back. We just had to take a break because I had to eat.
Yummy foodie. He eats his daddy egg.
No, I ate chicken, fried chicken.
No, he ate daddy egg.
No, I ate fried chicken. This very hard jump. Stop! We don't scary wall climbing.
Yes.
Super dangerous. Do not try this at home, kids.
Best run natin to. This is our best run.
Wow. Stand here. You stand there, I stand here.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Talon!
Ano ka?
Ikaw yung tatalon!
Tumalong ka din.
Itong mga babae na to, hintayin nga muna natin sila. Ready, get set.
Wait tayo talon. 1, 2, 3, go!
Step.
Wait. Be like that.
By the equality of 1/2, this seems that this jump will be impossible without a teammate. That's what you think. I a little bit smart, okay? Help me, please. Guys, I'm just gonna pause this because I know you don't want us to see doing nothing. I found something. Hey, yo, what was that? Okay, I'm just gonna pause it again. Yo guys, we're back and good now. Dun ka. Ready, get set, go!
Again.
1, 2, buckle my shoe.
Wait, stay there. Doon ka lang.
What up if I say no?
Ano ba?
Get up.
Wait, sumapit ka muna sa sa'yo.
Kanina may nahanap ako.
Yes, ano ka?
Halika, may nakita ko. Tingnan mo, butas. Tep. Tingnan mo kasi. Oh.
You will explore the big dark world. I think you should go back.
Yes, it's very dark. Well, guys, that's a whole little Easter egg. I guess you would go there and see what is there. Okay. Wait. Dep, hindi gaga.
Sabay na tayo tumalon. Sabay tayo tumalon. 1, 2, 3. Stand up! Ayun!
Hello.
Yes! I see Kepel. I see Kepel again.
This very long jump though. Help. Oh. Progress.
We go speedrun again.
Kay patay. Bye. This guy very good at his job.
Ditch, ayusin mo mag-parkour. Tsaka mag-parkour ka na mag-parkour, ha?
You know I hate parkour. Goal natin maka 100 meters lang dito at least.
Yes. Wait, stopping until 100 meters.
Yes. If you guys want a part 2, I guess we could do a part 2.
Just comment.
Yes, comment. I would love to see a
Can
comment.
you back to watches? I want to see a comment. Somebody watching our clips.
I am in a very sus position. This is all
Ditch,
your,
dahan-dahan ka.
this is all your fault.
Kahit dahan-dahan lang, okay na yun.
Kung kaya mo sinabi, tignan mo ginawa mo.
Okay naman yun.
Nag-split ka, Tep.
Dahan tayo.
Ba't nag-split ka? Hey.
Comment ka kasi mag-part.
Yes!
Saka lang.
Parkour master.
Wow.
Tep, kaya mo yan. I believe in you. I believe in you. I believe in you. All I need is a believe. I just need someone to believe in me.
Okay. Tsaka lang.
I believe in you. I believe in you. You can do this. You can do this.
Dudot this. It really hurt my brain.
Okay lang na maka-brain tumor ka. Maka-brain damage ka, Tep.
It hurts.
May helmet ka naman eh.
Tangina mo.
Tep, wag ka magmura. Yung ma-demonetize. Lalahin mo, gagawa tayo ng second channel pag na-demonetize tayo.
Shortcut. Rich naman. Umayos na tayo. Umayos na.
Serious mode. Hey, you do a good job. Okay, bye.
Yung mama ko.
Saan ka ba, Tep? Gila ko na pibilay.
Umayos ka na.
Ganun ba yung channel natin? Hindi ganun yung channel natin, Tep. Hindi tayo nag-roll ng ganun.
Ang ina mo.
Tep, wag ka nga magmura.
We don't roll like that.
Huwag ka magmura. Ayoko
Jumbo.
Wala akong hindi tayo nagro-roll ng gano'n. Ayoko talaga ma-demonetize. Ikaw ba gusto mo ma-demonetize?
Hindi, gusto ko ikaw.
Sorry.
Napapatig ka nga sa akin.
So,
Ready ka. Nagsusuka ka lang eh. Sabi mo, grabe, nakakasuka, hindi ko kasama Pepe. Yeah!
so sinabi mo na yan, nasuka, natumba ako, Tep, grabe ka.
Babading-bading kaya.
Sakit ng ulo ko.
Grabe.
Sakit ng ulo ko, Tep.
Babading-bading kaya. Babading-bading kaya. Babading-bading kaya.
Tep, stuck. I'm stuck. Help me. Help me, Step bro. I'm stuck.
Ay, ganito na ito.
Wag! Tep, hindi ka bumaba dito. Ayun,
I like that.
ayun, wag na pala. Good na, goods na.
Like you can say that. Bitch. Sana naman gumaling ka na sa pag-for kahit isang beses lang.
Uy! Uy! You've got yourself a turkey! A stuck turkey! Tep, stuck. Tulungan mo ako. Tulungan mo ako.
You're the only chance, turkey!
Ba't ka kasi nahulog, Ted? Nahulog tuloy ako. Huwag ka magmura. Wala tayong editor na magbibip, ganon. Hindi pa tayo mayaman. Huwag ka sabi magmura eh. Sabihin mo lang, Skushkash. Skushkash. Or,
Kasi
sabihin mo, beep. Beep, beep na lang. Beep, beep. Alam ko na ibig
Pinis,
sabihin.
pinis.
Ha?
Pinis, pinis.
Beep, beep. Ibig sabihin, bad word.
Ibig sabihin ng bip-bip tang ina mong halita.
Mag-beep ka, te. Please lang. Ayoko monetize.
Ikaw?
Pag nagmumura ka, balitan mo yung mura mo, beep.
Tangin na ka, bip. Tangin na mo, bip. Tangin na ka, bip.
Ayun, ganun. Pero ihati mo yung mura mo.
Tangin na, bip. Tangin na mo, bip.
Mak yung beep. Mak yung beep.
Bitman mo mo, inutil na ka, bip. Bitman, support mo mo, inutil na ka. Walang isip na
YouTube, pwede nyo ba kami hindi ito,
Bip.
Kwan,
Rich, Tagalog yun.
oh, good. Say, yeah. Galing ng impression mo sa bata na yun, Tep. Nagay. Ayaw ka ba? Tulog ako.
Yeah!
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 Do you wanna get it by a ball? Yes. Do you wanna get it by a ball?
Ayoko na, iba tayo. Cut the video. Hello guys, today we're gonna wrap it up because usually this is... Goodbye!
Guys, bye-bye. Because my friend is very sick in the head. Bye!